wonderful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will not be wasting your time. I'll be going straight to the point. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to set up your Facebook monetization. Immediately Facebook bring out for you to set up your content monetization, you can go ahead to set it up, and so that you'll not make any mistake, it's very simple. I will be showing you how to set it up. So let's go into the video on how to set your Facebook monetization.
Okay, first thing first, you can see content monetization. I clicked on set up and I clicked on sign up. So I had to edit my name here. I click on edit information, then I put my middle name. Glory Princess. I added Princess because that is what is on my birth certificate. Then my date of birth is correct and my country is correct. Then I click on confirm information. And I waited for it to load. And I was good to go. You can see it's not something that is very hard. It's simple. You can see your any potential. You can see everything. I can earn from my story, my post, my videos, all round. Like I can earn for anything I do on Facebook right now. I can earn from any picture I upload, any video I upload, any story I upload. The funny part of it is right now, story and posting of pictures even earn you more money. I'm going to be explaining maybe in my next video how I have earned from Facebook.
So guys, I hope that was able to help you. It taught you how to set up your Facebook monetization. You can see that it's not really easy. And that changing of name, I just had to add my other name so that it will be my legal name that is there before applying. So that is how to set up your Facebook monetization. Though you can see the video is not long, and that is the end of today's video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment on the video. If you have any question, just ask me, and see you on my next video. Bye.